How to solve address not found problem in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the Gmail application on your device. So just go to the Play Store and search for Gmail. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Gmail application. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application on our device over here, and we're going to tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and then search for the Gmail application on our device. Then all we have to do is tap on clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Next, in order to solve the address not found problem, make sure that you have entered the correct address so that your mail can be sent. So just check your mail address and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.